It is day one on prep for EJS. We are going to today, this is the toolbox the bug got for us for the front of the trailer. So we're going to position it and then weld these angle irons on and then drill through the bottom of the toolbox to secure it. And then we're also going to position it, as we'll show you, so our spare tire slips right in the back of it. It'll be kind of a cool little setup.
Funny story about the toolbox though. So I went and ran an errand, went to Harbor Freight all by myself, and my job was to get a toolbox for the trailer tongue. So I did, and I went and I found this one that was on sale. It was pre-owned, so I was like, that's a deal. And it had keys in it, and that was what we wanted. Like, it had a set of keys already in it. So I went up to the checkout counter and I was like, hey, because I already had like some dollies and stuff in the cart. So I didn't have this on the grocery cart with me. I said, I also want that toolbox that's in the back. So anyway, we run in the back. The guy picks it up and lifts it and brings it up to the checkout counter and sets it down on the ground. So I said, all right, so I check out the dollies in the cart and I take those to the car, come back for the toolbox. So I pick up the toolbox with the keys still in it, and I walk out to the car, open up the trunk, and throw the toolbox into the trunk. All is well, shut the trunk, it fits great. So come home and I'm like, Joe, got ourselves a toolbox. It's got keys and everything in it. So I pull the toolbox out and I take it and set it on the tongue of the trailer, and there's no keys in it. And I'm like, wait, oh, I hope they didn't fall out on Harbor Freight's floor. Hope they're not in the parking lot. Maybe they're in the trunk of the BMW. So,
And the toolbox is locked, so we can't get in it.
and yeah, it's locked. So I'm like, oh God, let me go. I hadn't even thought about the keys since Harbor Freight. So I go and open up the trunk. There are the keys. But unfortunately, it's only one key and a half of a key.
Yes.
And I'm like, oh no. So we found the other half of the key in the lock.
Right there.
In the lock. The key is not magnetic. So there's no way that we could get that key out. No way, no how. So we just did a whole lot of rivet maneuvering and pulling out the rivets and tearing apart the lock and ordering a new lock.
So what we ended up doing was taking apart the other lock, marry a bunch of the little parts together, and we put it back in. We re-riveted it, so we're good to go. Because Bug was super worried that she spent 115 bucks on a toolbox and we weren't going to get it to work, but we were able to.
Yep.
Right, Buggy?
Yeah.
So we got 1 week to get ready for EJS.
We're leaving in 1 week.
Let you guys see what we do for the next week, how we get ready for the EJS.
Woohoo!
That's it.
Yeah. Hopefully the rain holds out so that we can weld.
We'll make it work.
You were saying that we'll put the tire right here.
Yeah, so then we'll have our angle iron like that. Imagine our toolboxes in there, right? Ready? Okay. Put it right in there. And then we'll have an angle iron here, like that. And then we'll weld some cross members between here that the tire will cradle into. That's pretty good right there.
Yep.
Okay. Pull it up.
That'll be perfect.
Yep.
She found this ball the other day in the neighbor's yard, and ever since then, she won't let go of it. So since we have her tied up like this today, which she's not used to, but I think this, if she has her ball, she'll be happy. Oh, ball's out of reach now, isn't it? Can you not reach it now? All right, that's awful. I like this.
This is perfect, isn't it?
It's our own little work.
Yeah, this works.
What's she doing?
There it is. Okay. Cap. Cutting device. So one thing I love about these Milwaukee's is a little, you don't have to have your little tool. It's got a little flip up thing on them. And you just, what was that all about? And then so you never need to be searching for your little silver, that guy all the time. All right. Okay, got her cut. Let's clean her up. And we'll paint these bad boys when we get them on there.
Fuel for the bug.
Fuel for the bug. That's it. Fuel for the bug. Oh, you know, Bug. You look at you like with your glasses on. You look like Legolas. Remember the elf from Lord of the Rings?
Lord of the Rings.
Legolas. we're out of batteries now. So we're gonna have to bring out Bug's most feared tool of all,
I used to love it.
the Metabo. But in this application, it won't be bad, honey.
No, okay.
It won't be. You'll be fine. It's banned on a lot of job sites because of the RPMs of it. The Metabo. There you go. There you go. It's you go. It's you go, girl. Let's see how we do. We don't want to go much further than that. Bug, you showing our setup here, Bug.
Look at us.
Yeah, I mean, in the nick of time.
Yeah, we're
In
in a
the
little,
nick of time.
a little fort.
No, Bug.
You got him. There you go.
Let's see.
Turned out nice. So this is the whole point of everything.
Yep. Some of these weld
To right there.
tabs like that.
Yep.
We're gonna weld those on, and then we're gonna strap over our tire.
Ratchet strap it.
We're good to go.
And that will travel for 2,000 miles.
Yep. Oh, absolutely.
That was so much fun.
Yeah, we did good.
Yeah. He's doing all the hard work. I'm just sitting here with my ears sticking out.
Buggies take us back to black.
This is the fender that keeps getting folded up when we flex, when we're out on the trail. Keeps getting crumbled, you can see. So we can't have that for EJS. So we gotta do some cuts.
Gotta do
it's
some
the
cutting.
Metabo.
Yeah, right. Buggy hates
So
it.
I'm not doing the Metabo. Joe does
Yeah,
the Metabo.
yeah. That's a wicked machine there. So
It's too fast,
So
too violent.
that's what we're gonna start with, guys. Is just
Start.
because I mean the bumper's restricted anyhow.
Yep.
Until we go with the 38s or 40s, we'll take the bumper back and do some modifications. But
Then
for
we'll
the
bring
EGS, that's what we're gonna do.
Let's do it. Do it.
Let's do it, Buggy.
Do it.
You're so funny, Bug.
It'll get
Yeah,
dirty.
that looks okay.
That'll work.
Yeah. That should be close enough. Yeah, that'll work. All right, let's put our toolbox on, baby. It's go time.
It's step bit time.
It Take it right to the black tape, baby.
Boom.
That's it.
Boom.
It's just so funny, Bug. All right, so we got our corresponding holes there. And we're ready to bolt her up.
Let's bolt it, baby.
Let's have some stuff there. All right.
Make it official.
Buggy.